One feature that doesn't get discussed enough, I think, when it comes to productivity applications or productivity features in Outlook is the ability to schedule an email. Let's say, for example, it's the end of the day, you know that you have to send out some communications, but you can't really get to it till tomorrow morning. You could try to remember in the morning when you get into the office that you have to send out some emails, or you can have Outlook do all the hard work for you and actually delay that delivery and schedule a time for it to be delivered. Or say, for example, you're going to be out of the office for a bit, but you want some communications to take place while you're gone. You can have Outlook automatically send out emails for you based on the time that you set it at. Let me show you how to do it. So we navigate over to our inbox and say it's the end of the day for me. I'm going to be heading out, but I have to remember that I have to send out some communications. I know my memory isn't the greatest personally, so I'm going to have Outlook do the hard work for me. So first thing I'm going to do is navigate over to my trusty ribbon, head on over to the left-hand side of the screen, and click on New Email. Let's start that new email here. And this email is going to go out to Ellen. And then this is pretty basic, as we've gotten accustomed to doing. Reminder of our regroup tomorrow. And I'm just going to want to send an email to Ellen saying, just make sure she attaches the correct files before we meet. When possible, can you, I should learn how to type. Can you send out to our team before our noon meeting? All right. Thanks. Now again, it's the end of the day. I don't want to burden Ellen with this email right at the end of the day. We're all trying to go home. So what I can do is I can delay that delivery. To do so, navigate over to the top of your ribbon here on your new email. Click on the options button here. And then you can see on the far right under more options, we have the ability to delay delivery. Go ahead and give that a click. And now you can see here we have some excellent features on how we want to customize it. First of all, let's talk about the settings. Is this of high importance? Maybe we want to mark this as a high important email. Maybe it's low importance, or we can leave it as is. If this is something where perhaps we're sending an email out to a few folks that, we're giving them a list of options, maybe we want to give them a poll. So we want to set up some voting buttons. We can even choose whether or not we want to get a read receipt or delivery receipt. But what we're really focusing on here for this video is the delivery options. So you can choose, for example, who this replies get sent to, or just leave it automatically so it can be sent to you. And then you can see this. Do not deliver before such and such a time. So this is where we're going to choose when this gets sent out. So I'm going to say do not deliver before, all right, we're going to set it for tomorrow. And we're going to set it for the morning. So let's give folks some time to get settled in. Let's say around 8:30. Let's say, actually, we'll send it out at 9, right? If we want to put an expiration date for the email, we can also do that as well, or we can leave it be. And then we can also save a copy of the sent message. So what we're telling Outlook is please do not deliver this email to Ellen before tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'm going to go ahead and click close. We have those settings all set to go. And now we can go ahead and just click send as normal. And it'll hold on to that email for us until tomorrow at 9, at which time it'll go ahead and send that email out to Ellen. So now we've scheduled that email to be sent out tomorrow. We're going to save ourselves some time and Ellen some time by making sure that she gets the email automatically after 9 a.m. tomorrow. And so again, take some time to schedule some meetings. If you know you're going to be out for a bit, maybe schedule a few of these. Delay the delivery a bit so that you don't have to go and bring your computer with you where you're traveling, and Outlook will do all of the work for you. But again, it's a great productivity tool, a great way to increase efficiency in communications without ever having to lift more than a finger.